Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best NanoBeam is probably one of the most sought-after networking devices for those looking to establish a robust and high-performance wireless bridge, offering incredible speed and reliability for point-to-point connections. Whether you're extending your network across a large property, connecting buildings, or providing internet access in remote areas, this device promises to deliver exceptional throughput and a stable link, making it a standout choice in the competitive landscape of wireless networking solutions. Number 5. BrosTrend 5 GHz 867 megabits per second outdoor Wi-Fi bridge. Establish a stable wireless connection up to 1 kilometer away with a clear line of sight. Perfect for extending your network to any outdoor structure, like a barn or garage. Experience fast data transmission with speeds up to 867 megabits per second on a 5 GHz band. This kit includes 2 units, one acting as a transmitter and the other as a receiver, for seamless wireless data transfer. Instantly expand your network by connecting to another Wi-Fi router. Enjoy fast Wi-Fi in your workshop, office, or guest house with wired speeds up to 100 megabits per second. Get up and running in minutes with this prepared wireless bridge. Just power up both units in the same room for automatic pairing. It supports power via passive PO or a DC adapter. Designed to withstand the elements, it features IP65 weatherproof resistance and 6 kV lightning protection. Installation is flexible with wall or pole mounting options. For the best performance, make sure there's a clear line of sight between the 2 units. Avoid obstacles like trees or buildings that can interfere with the signal. What we like. This device offers an impressive 1 kilometer long range connection, perfect for extending your network to distant outbuildings. Its high-speed 867 megabits per second connectivity ensures smooth data transfer. If you are looking to connect a barn, workshop, or any structure far from your main house, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The NanoBeam is a compact and lightweight device, making it easy to install and manage. Its high-performance wireless technology ensures a stable and fast connection, even in crowded RF environments. The device features a unique, ball-joint mounting system that allows for flexible aiming and positioning. Number 4. UeeVii CPE452 Wireless Bridge. Introducing the UeeVii CPE452, your ultimate solution for extending network coverage outdoors. This device offers a robust point-to-point wireless bridge, perfect for various applications. Experience fast and reliable data transfer with its dual 100 megabits per second LAN ports. While each port is limited to 100 megabits per second, the bridge itself achieves impressive transmission speeds of up to 300 megabits per second between units. Effortlessly share your internet connection with neighbors or extend your network to remote locations like barns, garages, or shops. It's ideal for surveillance systems, eliminating the need for complex wiring. Get up and running in minutes with its pre-configured, plug-and-play design. If needed, repairing is simple with just a few dial adjustments. Enjoy the benefits of 5G transmission for faster speeds and better interference resistance. This device intelligently adjusts its power for smooth network and video performance, even over long distances up to 3 kilometers in clear line of sight. It's designed to maintain performance despite environmental changes. Built with a 14 dB high-gain antenna and an IP65 weatherproof shell, it's ready for harsh outdoor conditions. It provides reliable operation in rain, dust, and freezing temperatures, ensuring continuous connectivity. What we like. With its 14 dB antenna and up to 3 kilometers range, this bridge is designed for robust, long-distance connections. It also features dual 100 megabits per second LAN ports for added flexibility. If you need to bridge networks over a significant distance or connect multiple devices at the remote end, this is a great option. What people say. The NanoBeam is incredibly easy to set up, taking only a few minutes to get operational. Its compact design makes it unobtrusive, and the mounting hardware is sturdy and reliable. The performance is excellent, providing a stable and fast wireless connection over a considerable distance. Number 3. Ubiquiti NanoBeam AC Gen 2 2-pack. Experience over 450 megabits per second throughput. It's ideal for demanding applications needing a reliable, high-speed connection across distances of over 15 kilometers. Powered by a 720 MHz processor, 128 MB RAM, and 8 MB flash. This ensures stable operation and efficient data processing for consistent connectivity. Its integrated 19 dB gain antenna with dual polarization delivers a focused and powerful signal. This minimizes interference and maximizes range for superior network performance. It features a dedicated Wi-Fi radio for management. This simplifies device configuration and monitoring via intuitive software, streamlining the installation process. Adjustable channel sizes optimize bandwidth. This provides extensive coverage and flexible network configurations to suit various environments. What we like. This unit boasts incredible speeds of over 450 megabits per second and can handle distances of 15 kilometers or more. The dedicated management radio simplifies setup and monitoring. If you require a high-performance solution for very long-distance links or demanding applications, this is the one to consider. What people say. The NanoBeam is a great device for extending your network range. Its compact design makes it easy to install in various locations. The setup process is straightforward and can be completed in minutes. Number 2. Ubiquiti NanoBeam M5 16 dB Kit. Introducing the Ubiquiti NanoBeam M5 16 dB Kit. This device comes pre-configured and is ready for immediate installation, simplifying your setup process. It offers versatile mounting solutions, easily attaching to poles or walls. Enjoy the freedom of 3-axis alignment for optimal positioning. Despite its compact size, it delivers the highest gain available. Its excellent beam directivity ensures top performance, even in noisy environments. Powered by Ubiquiti's world-renowned AirMax technology, it guarantees outstanding performance outdoors. This technology is proven in millions of deployments globally. The integrated TDMA AirMax protocol provides exceptional scalability and low latency. It's designed for high throughput in multipoint networks. Building on the legacy of innovative CPE designs, this is the latest generation from Ubiquiti Networks. Experience the advanced features of the NanoBeam. What we like. Featuring a 16 dB gain antenna, this device excels in high-noise environments and comes pre-configured for easy installation. Its excellent beam directivity ensures top performance. If you are in an area with a lot of wireless interference and need a reliable, easy-to-deploy solution, this is a strong contender. What people say. The NanoBeam is a compact and lightweight device, making it easy to install. Its AirMax technology ensures high-speed, stable wireless connections. The device offers a user-friendly interface for quick setup and management. Number 1. Ubiquiti NanoBeam AC NBE 2 AC 13 Wireless Access Point. Discover the Ubiquiti NanoBeam AC, a high-performance wireless access point designed for superior connectivity. Experience blazing fast speeds and reliable connections. Its uniform beamwidth technology maximizes noise immunity, ensuring a clear and stable signal even in challenging environments. Enjoy uninterrupted performance. Equipped with the advanced AirMax AC processor, it delivers exceptional performance for all your networking needs. Benefit from faster data transfer and lower latency. A dedicated Wi-Fi radio simplifies management, allowing for effortless setup and control. Access and configure your network with ease. Reach impressive speeds of up to 330 Mbps with this powerful device. It's built to handle demanding applications and high bandwidth activities. This IEEE 802.11 AC compliant access point offers a robust and reliable solution for extending your wireless network. It's the perfect choice for businesses and homes seeking dependable connectivity. What we like. This access point offers uniform beamwidth for maximum noise immunity and is powered by an AirMax AC processor for superior performance. It also includes a dedicated Wi-Fi radio for management. If you prioritize signal stability in noisy environments and need advanced management features, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The NanoBeam is incredibly easy to set up, taking just a few minutes to get operational. Its compact and lightweight design makes it very portable and unobtrusive. The data transfer speeds are impressive, providing a stable and fast connection for all my devices. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.